When it comes to choosing a web hosting service, Flywheel Managed Hosting is often considered a top contender, but before you commit, there are key things you need to know. In this video, we'll cover 12 important points about Flywheel that could help you decide if it's the right choice for your website. Stick around till the end to see how it compares with competitors and if there's a better alternative. The first thing to know is that Flywheel is designed with WordPress websites in mind. If you're building a WordPress site, Flywheel's fully managed service takes care of the technical aspects, from updates to security patches. Unlike some competitors like SiteGround, which offer shared hosting options for various platforms, Flywheel's focus on WordPress means it's optimized for performance and ease of use. Next, the pricing structure is something to consider. Flywheel's plans start at a higher price point compared to many traditional hosting providers, like Bluehost or HostGator. However, with Flywheel, you're paying for premium features, such as automatic backups, faster speeds, and WordPress-specific optimizations. If you're serious about growing your site and want hands-off management, this premium pricing might be worth it. The third thing is Flywheel's user-friendly dashboard. Many users find it easier to navigate compared to the dashboards of other managed WordPress hosts like WP Engine or Kinsta. Flywheel offers a clean, straightforward interface that's great for beginners and experienced developers alike, saving time when managing multiple websites. Next, Flywheel stands out with its stellar customer support. Their team is available 24/7 via live chat and email. The support is WordPress-centric, which means you get experts specifically trained for WordPress-related issues. If you're used to general web hosting providers like GoDaddy, you might appreciate the specialized support Flywheel offers, which often feels more targeted and knowledgeable. The fifth thing to mention is Flywheel's performance. They offer solid speed and uptime, with built-in caching, free CDN integration, and solid infrastructure. Compared to other hosts like SiteGround, which also offer good speeds, Flywheel's performance is comparable, but with the added benefit of being highly optimized for WordPress. Moving on to the next thing, Flywheel includes staging sites in its plans. This is a huge bonus for developers who need to test changes before pushing them live. Some competitors, like A2 Hosting, offer staging sites as add-ons, but Flywheel's inclusion of this feature as a standard part of their managed hosting plans gives it an edge for WordPress users. The seventh thing is security. Flywheel provides free SSL certificates, daily backups, and built-in malware scanning. Their proactive approach to security is a plus, especially when comparing it to more generic hosts that might not offer this level of protection out of the box. Next up is Flywheel's site migration process. It's one of the easiest in the industry. If you're migrating a WordPress site from another host, Flywheel offers free migration services. Other hosts, like WP Engine, offer similar services but can charge fees. Flywheel's free migration sets it apart, especially for those making the switch without breaking the bank. The ninth thing to consider is their scalability. While Flywheel is ideal for small to medium-sized WordPress websites, it may not scale as well as some other options, like Kinsta, which is tailored for large enterprise-level sites. If you expect rapid growth or anticipate handling massive traffic spikes, Flywheel might not be the best option long-term. The 10th thing to know is Flywheel's collaboration features. If you're running an agency or working with a team, Flywheel makes collaboration easy with features like client billing and access control. This is an advantage over other hosts, like Bluehost, which don't offer these advanced collaboration tools built directly into their platform. The 11th thing is that Flywheel's hosting environment is fully managed. This means they take care of software updates, server optimizations, and security patches, so you don't have to worry about manual maintenance. If you're used to self-managed hosting like DigitalOcean, Flywheel's fully managed service could save you a lot of time and hassle. Finally, Flywheel's refund policy is another plus. If you decide it's not the right fit, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Many other hosting services offer shorter refund windows or more complicated refund processes, so Flywheel's clear and customer-friendly approach stands out. So, is Flywheel the best choice for you?